Hey, welcome back, guys. So, maybe you're wondering why I've got the hood off this after I said we were ready to rock and roll. We've had a little setback, and tractor pulling is full of setbacks, full of disappointments sometimes. So I felt it was important that I showed you what the setback was. And I'm going to ask for a little help too. So, took it for a ride up and down the street. Everything was good, ran great. Brought it back in the garage. Carb was flooding. So, take it apart, adjust the float where it should be. It was a little off. After I did that, it would not run properly at all. And all I did was adjust the float. I spent a couple of hours. I checked the timing's good. I got good spark. I can get it to run, but it will not run right. No matter where I adjust these needles, it will not run right. It's overfueling. I got flames shooting out. I don't know. Now, I've had good luck with these Chinese clone carburetors in the past, so that's why I wasn't afraid to buy one. However, doing some reading, there's a lot of guys out there that say, don't waste your money because they're nothing but grief. So I'm asking for your help out there, guys. Where's the best place to buy a clone carburetor? A knockoff carburetor? Stupid me, I remember I'd said I was gonna rebuild or clean the other carburetor, the original Carter carburetor that came on here. And somehow I managed to throw it out without realizing it. I've lost it, I don't know where it's gone. I'm sure I've thrown it away. Shame on me for doing that, but we're gonna move on from that and see what we can do here. So help me out, guys. I need help. Where's the best place to buy a clone carburetor for this that's not gonna give me a hard time? Leave it in the comments below, and we're gonna move on, so stay tuned.